think of a situation that you would like to see resolved. We are here to consult the tarot. You're going to receive one card that is going to give you some guidance on your situation. And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon this video, this is for you. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. If you like tarot, ASMR, and psychology, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel because that's the kind of content that I enjoy as well, and I create this type of content. If you'd like to support the channel, please like this video, make a comment, and or book a reading with me, which helps this channel. We're going to get started. By bringing the topic that you're interested in to our table. So let's focus on your question. Take a couple of deep breaths, and as you do, you may close your eyes if you wish and think of your question. You can say it out loud if you want to, but it's more than enough if you simply say it in your mind. And please do so 3 times. This way, you are allowing your subconscious mind to connect with your question, and your question is going to connect with the reading. So now, please do it 3 times as I'm shuffling the cards. All right, if you're done, then there's nothing more left to do than to try and see what the card is. So this card is going to be your advice, your guidance. Let's see what the card is revealing. Here we go. This is the 8 of Pentacles. This is a card full of concentration, attention to detail, and dedication. This is your strongest suit in this situation, your ability to plan, your ability to see the details and be very precise and very resilient when it comes to the small nuances, when it comes to the type of work that nobody else wants to do. You are here to fit the last puzzle piece into this cube. So whatever your question is concerning, your best approach here is to pay very close attention to the smallest, tiniest, seemingly insignificant, minute details. Those details will reveal to you the essence of your question or the essence of the solution. The 8 of Coins or Pentacles is also a card of humility. So now is not the time to try and reinvent the wheel. Now is the time to follow the blueprint that you know is going to work. Now is the time to dedicate yourself to the work and to make sure that your part is impeccable. Don't worry about what and how other people are doing what they're doing. This is not about that. This is about remaining focused and remaining loyal to your original plan. And as you can see here, it is not a matter of coming up with a new plan. It's not a matter of changing anything drastically. It's very subtle. And to me, it seems as though it's only the finishing touches that are missing from this picture. So, I hope that you enjoyed this little reading. Let me know in the comments how you liked it, whether it resonated with your issue. And I hope to see you in our next session. Bye bye.